Just let your beauty shine through. Let it shine through.
Hi you guys, it's me NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with another Choose It or Lose It. This time we are featuring the Forever Skin Glow by Dior. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. It is the Forever Skin Glow by Dior. I picked up the shade 4.5N. Okay, it's what I have on right now. This is how it looks on my skin. Let me tell you a little bit first about my skin and why I picked this Skin Glow foundation. I am 51 years old. I have dry, bone dry, mature skin. And I always look for skincare products, even foundations that may say glow or illuminating, light reflecting, things like that to really make my skin look youthful and glowy and not dry. Okay, I like matte foundations. However, when I do wear matte foundations, I really moisturize my skin thoroughly. I use my hyaluronic acid in all my serums, and I will link my skincare routine that I always do, especially when I'm using matte foundations, right up here. And yeah, I always like products that really make my skin look glowy and healthy. That is something that I should really strive on doing, because with dry skin, your skin can look dry and flaky and thirsty. That's why I'm always stressing to drink water. Very, very important. Not only your skin, but your overall health in your body. Your body is made of like 89, 85% or 90% of water. So we need water in our systems to really function. So I'm always talking about drinking water and keeping your body healthy. But without all of that, because I can jump into a whole another segment on water, on healthcare, on body. But anyway, let's get back to the issue at hand. All right, so this foundation right here, let me show you how it looks in a cute little glass sleek bottle. Now I do like this. I like the way the foundation looks in this bottle. It's $52. It also has an SPF in it of 15, okay? And like I said, I picked up the shade 4.5 Neutral. On here it says, on the bottle it says 24-hour radiant foundation, perfection and hydration, concentrated floral skincare with sunscreen. So, okay, it has sunscreen in it. It is, the highlights of this formula is, it's a liquid formula, it's medium coverage, it has a radiant finish, it's very hydrating, it's long wearing, and it has an SPF in it. A Dior foundation with 24-hour radiant medium to full coverage with and hydration with 86% skincare ingredients to visibly improve skin over time. Now, I know you see a lot of foundations or a lot of products that say, oh, we have skincare in it. Do not rely solely on the skincare that's in the foundation. Always still apply your regular normal skincare routine or products that you like before you apply foundation. It helps renew the look of skin. It has wild pansy extract, maintain hydration for a healthy looking skin. It guards against oxidation. It has hibiscus extract, and it helps renew the look of the skin. So, okay. So this is also available in 42 shades. It says the new generation foundation is heat and humidity resistance. Delivers up to 24 hours of color true wear and hydration, while also visibly reducing pores for a smooth and radiant looking complexion. Okay, so the packaging is recyclable, has recyclable materials. Okay, now that we know a little bit about the foundation, let me show you how I applied it. I'm going to use it just the way I normally would. I'm using the Durba Blend Insta Jelly Grip Primer. I will put everything that I have used in the description box below. But I want to use it just the way I normally would, just to see how it performs, because I'm going somewhere right now, so I want to see how it actually performs. So probably a little bit on my makeup palette. And I'm just kind of going to apply it on. Again, this foundation is $52. It comes in 42 shades. It has supposed to have like a glow and a radiance for 24 hours. I didn't wear it for 24 hours. However, I did wear it probably about 8 or 9 hours, and I love the way my face looked throughout the day. I have hot flashes, and periodically my skin, my hair, everything just sweats. You know, I have hot flashes. So my skin actually gets really moist, and you can see where I'm sweating on my skin. And I wore this when I was at church and I was singing in the choir, and I'm telling you, my skin felt, I got a hot flash, but my makeup still looked flawless. It appeared, it to me looked like when I sweated, when my skin got a little moist, the better it looked. So yeah, I was really impressed because I pulled out my little compact, you know, just to take a look at my skin. I'm like, I've been had this on for about 3 hours. It's about 7 o'clock. It's 9:30. I get ready to go to work in a few. But yeah, my skin really looks healthy. I like the way it feels on my skin. I like just how my skin looks in general, and I really like that it does not go into fine lines and creases, and it's also fragrance free. That is one of the things that I love when makeup or foundation is fragrance free. I like that. So I choose it. I choose this. I love foundations that have a glow, that does not make your skin look greasy, that has a medium coverage, and you can build upon it. Now, I like full coverage foundations, but I like the full coverage foundations that do not feel heavy on your skin. This one is medium coverage, but it doesn't feel heavy. It's very lightweight. Feels like I have nothing on, and you can build upon it. So definitely I choose it. Everything that I like in a foundation, I actually love it, love it, love it. So this is like one of my first Dior products. I do have the Dior concealer, and I do like the concealer, so I was definitely really interested and intrigued in the foundation. So yeah, definitely choose it. So that is all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful and interesting, especially if you are really considering purchasing the Dior foundation. I mean, it is a splurge. It's $52, but I really do like the way my skin feels and looks, especially now I'm 51 years old. I really need foundations to really look natural on my skin, to give me a natural radiant glow that looks like my glow is within. That's what I like about this foundation. I don't need anything that's going to settle in fine lines and wrinkles, because I am not trying to look old. So anyway, guys, thank you so very much for just taking time out to watch my video. I greatly appreciate it. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.